is going on, everybody? I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today because I finally got all the parts, all the stuff needed to get my Chevy LS Volvo back in action. And if you did not see, she caught on fire. The wiring harness melted. So what we have here today is a Holley Terminator X. It's the computer, it's the harness, it's everything. It's the heart of the Volvo, of the Chevy LS engine that's in my car. And it's going to be so much of an improvement. Probably the most performance-oriented thing I've ever done. This is going to allow me to control my engine in ways I've never even dreamed of. So I'm really excited. We have a lot of cool stuff here, a couple sensors, but this is the main harness, computer, everything that Holley Terminator X kit that I got comes with is in here, and it only weighs 11 pounds. This is pretty light for the whole management system. But I've been waiting. I waited a couple days to actually not open this because I wanted to unbox it, and I've just been so busy. But we're finally going to get to it. We're going to see all this awesome stuff, and I'm going to see it for the first time here with you. Let's do it. So we have 3 boxes here. We'll save the big boy for last. We'll start with the one I already opened because this is just a fuel pump relay, and this is going to allow me to wire my fuel pump into this computer. It's going to, when you turn the key on, it's going to purge like a normal car. The fuel pump will prime for 5 seconds. It'll shut off. 100% legit, and this will prevent any power surges or anything from damaging the Holley computer or any fire hazards. This will be in place. This is just a fuel pump relay. Really cool. Nice kit. A lot of wires to run. Should be pretty cool and easy to do in the car. Now, this Holley Terminator actually utilizes a couple different sensors than a stock Chevy LS would use. So this is going to be a manifold air temperature sensor. Should just be probably one sensor in here. Let's see. Oh boy, we're opening stuff up. Hell yeah, let's do it. I can't wait though. I'm excited. I've been waiting. You know how hard it is to get fancy, cool race car parts and not even open them? Yeah, that's so. Of course, just a little teeny sensor in the big package. Holley. This is like a Holley specific sensor here. This one at least. More tape. I'm gonna have to actually drill a hole in my intake tube to make a bung for this because my car doesn't have a manifold air temperature sensor port. It just, we're gonna have to make our own, but shouldn't be a big deal because that is all it is. That will be easy to tap into my intake. Intake tube, not like the plenum. Don't get too worried. So this is all awesome. Super happy with this. Now it's time to open the cool stuff. I'm excited. Let's do it. Box inside of a box. Terminator X. Says it right on it. Hell yeah. Terminator X LS1 LS6 kit. Is what it completely says. Oh, oh boy. That's what you see when you get in there. Big old directions manual. Good to have. And here is our main harness. I love it. The loom on this is so beautiful. So beautiful. Looks so good. So this is going to be our main engine harness. This should drape over everything. Everything's labeled. Every sensor is labeled. Sweet. So we'll put this down. All plug and play besides a couple little wires. Should be easy. So then we're going to have our power harness. It says right on it, connected battery terminal. So this is going to be our power harness. Get the power to the computer and everything. Go to our battery. Put that right there. This is one of our connectors. I don't know exactly which one that is. And this is a accessory connector. This is what we're probably going to use to power our fan, or signal our fans to turn on and everything. This accessory connector. This is our, I'm assuming, yeah, this is our EV1 fuel injector harness. You have to specify when you order this the injectors you have so the connectors fit. That's why I know exactly what those are. This is the one that goes there. And now, oh, I'll wait for that for last. But this is, oh, they give you an oxygen bung. But these are some bungs because we're going to be using a wideband sensor. It says wideband in the description, but this is the holley. It says holley right on it. This is their wideband, so this is going to be cool. It goes in the exhaust. Gingerly put that down. And here is the powerhouse of our unit. This, I'll open it just so you can see it, but this is a 3.5 handheld monitor that will be in the car, and I'll be able to tune my Volvo. I'll be able to see all engine management stuff, and this is, oh wow, ooh, it comes in a little case and everything. Look at this. It has a stylus. So let's slide this out right here if we can. How do I get you out? Well, I can't slide the cover off right now because I can't, I'm slow, but that is going to be our screen and our adapter with the stylus. It's a touch screen in my freaking race car, hell yeah. Put this big box down, and this is the heart. This is the heart. It's so small, so light. Oh yes, it's alive! And this, boys and girls, is the power, is the heart, the brain. I shouldn't say the heart. This is the brain of the operation. Awesome. So little, so much capability. I can't wait. 3 plugs. That's it. That's so easy. This is gonna be so fun. Justin's coming over later on, guys, and we're gonna go out there and see what we need to do. Just get prepared to start install and listen to Volvo. I want to do a little bit more deleting some old wiring stuff I want to take out, so a little bit more cleaning up, and then all this is ready to go in. This is so crazy. This is going to be the most cool thing, like I said, most performance forward thing I've ever done. The Volvo is going to be able to be so understood. I'm going to be able to know what's going on with my Volvo so much. I'm going to be able to talk to the engine, see what's going on with it. I'm hyped. This is awesome. Make sure to stay tuned, everybody. We're going to be installing all these cool parts on my Chevy LS Swap Volvo very soon, as soon as we can. And it's going to be so cool. I can't wait to fire it up for the first time on Holley Terminator X. You're not going to want to miss that. That's going to be so awesome. Make sure to leave a comment on what you guys think of a good old-fashioned unboxing video. I love doing it. I was super excited to show you my thoughts and my first impression, so leave a comment on what you think. And yeah, as always, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace!